Yeah. Lambo, faster, Nasdaq, making that money like Elon Musk. FX, Forex, big money, T-Rex, any which way we making it green. That's what they say, me and my G's, we work as a team. That's what they say, yeah. I got better trader, MP5, I got a chart at an all-time high. I got blue, green, yellow, black, yeah. Tell me which one you want, yeah. I got the Lambo, G-Wagon, Lambo, off-road on you, go like Rambo, yeah. You niggas joking, you niggas free. Keep pushing that beat. Yeah, just show me the way, no waste that beat. Just give me the light, give me the what? Give me the light, yeah. Just give me the light about that life. Yeah, you know how it is. Yeah, chart looks green, my eyes turn red. Making lots of investments, we ain't wasting beat. I keep making that paper, I make it from my bed. Finger on the trigger, my panic.
Okay, guys, so how's it going, guys? So I guess we're live now. How's it going, guys? So as you're joining up, just remember to write where you're watching us from. Just write where you're watching us from. Another nice Friday. So as you're joining up, just write where you're watching us from, guys. Just write where you're watching us from. Okay. Now, let me quickly update those in what's it called now? In a public channel. And as you're joining up, guys, remember to hit on the like button and remember to subscribe. So join up, remember to hit on the like button and remember to subscribe. Okay, so alert everyone that we're currently YouTube live now. We are now YouTube live. Okay. Yeah, let me delete this and good. That's it. All right. Okay. All right. Guys, as you're joining up, remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe. Let's go. So guys, what country are you watching us from? What country are you watching us from? Let's go. Okay. All right. So we're having Ceruba, right? Okay, wait. Oh, someone is talking about sound. Is an audio and video okay? But we'll get back to that now. But then we're having Ceruba from South Africa, right? David from Uganda. We're having Panchak from Nigeria. Okay, we're having Titan from Afghanistan. Ahmed from the UK. We're having Lucky Patel from Manchester, England. We're having Foxtail from Cameroon. Hassan from Tanzania. Nasra from Afghanistan. So I have a lot of guys with us today. A lot of guys with us. I just disappeared. There's such a much more visible like this. Yeah. Okay. We're having Chilinga from Zimbabwe. Rauza from the UK. Amir from Malaysia. Okay. How's the King from Miami? Marvis from Ghana, Travis from Sri Lanka. Okay, Donatus from Nigeria. Okay, Ally from Jamaica, Susan from South Africa, Gabrant from Nigeria, Shokoko from Russia, Big OT from Australia. So I have a lot of guys with us, here today. Ashade from Slovakia, right? Naomi's from Belarus, Biniebi from Ethiopia, David from Nigeria, Maxi Boy from Nigeria, Peter from South Africa, Ching from Hong Kong. So I have a lot of guys with us today. So yeah, a lot of guys with us. Vincent from Kenya, right? Having a lot of guys here, right? Okay. All right. So guys, let's proceed. What chart do you want to check out first, guys? What chart? So having Nita Pong from Thailand. Yeah, I see you. Okay, guys. So a lot of guys with us from Japan, Australia, Mozambique, Kenya, Nigeria, Israel, Pakistan. We have a lot of guys with us. Madagascar, Uganda, right? India, Brazil, Minnesota. Yeah, from the US. We have a lot of guys with us. So, guys, what chart should you check out first? What chart should you check out first, guys? What chart? So, so what happened yesterday on Good, guys? Good was actually going wild. So, we're waiting for it to hit our 5,500 level that we spoke about then, and seems like it's literally just pushed up to hit. Guys, as you're joining up, remember to hit on the like. I remember to subscribe. Remember to hit on the like. I remember to subscribe, guys. It only makes sense that way. Okay. So gold was just like literally playing, like was just playing around. Is this my camera okay like this, by the way? Gold was literally just playing around, right? Yeah, it was just pushing, and why guys were holding profit. Those in the private channel were just chill, just waiting like for the stuff to be fully done as the crash begins, because it already hit our maximum level that we spoke about, which was 5,500, right? So just playing around 5,500 and something, this, that. So we're just waiting for the crash to happen first. That was what we were just waiting for. And after which, boom, we stumbled into the trade. We caught, I think, two take profits. The crash wasn't like 100% done. Even now, it's not 100% done. So we just stumbled in, try maximizing our stuff and the rest of them like that. And we're able to catch, I think, two take profit. First take profit hit, second take profit hit. From there, it started retracement, which kind of like just took us out from the trade, right? But it's good because we're able to cash out two take profit from that trade also. But the nice thing is we have to wait. Like it took a long time waiting for that crash to begin. So while others were screaming and posting profit around that, yeah, we're just chilling, waiting for the crash to happen. So yeah, it wasn't surprising. Yesterday's event wasn't surprising, especially if you followed our last Saturday analysis on gold. And maybe you're in a public channel also on Telegram. You saw when I dropped the analysis and all. Yeah, you wouldn't have been surprised because I literally mentioned the value there, right? Okay. So guys, what chart are we checking out? What chart are we checking? Okay. Let's see. Okay, I can see a lot of gold as usual, of course. I can see a lot of gold. Yeah. I can see a lot of gold. I can see a lot of gold, guys. Yeah, I can see a lot of gold. I can see a lot of gold. Yeah, I can. Yeah, we have a lot of gold. A lot of gold. A lot of gold. Oh, By the way, just a second, guys, just a second. Okay. So I guess we'll be checking out gold first, right? I guess we'll be checking out gold first. Yeah, and I saw someone read VIX 75. Now I'm actually planning on I think there will be a new channel, right? On that channel, we'll be going live also, but that will be specially for synthetic indices, but just not at this. So a new channel will be coming up very soon. Now we already have Mr. PFX Trades. That place will be having just trading sessions. We have trading sessions there. If we are yet to drop any video there, you would have noticed it. Yeah, you just have to search Mr. PFX Trades. You see it. You can just subscribe to that. We'll start dropping trades. What they call it, trades. Just trades there. That's what we'll be doing there. Right then, we'll have Mr. PFS Synthetic very soon, because I noticed guys keep asking for Volatility 75, boom and crash, and it's as if I'm ignoring them, but I'm actually not ignoring them, because there are a lot of guys say that trade gold, euro, yes, just normal commodities, forex pairs, and the rest of them. So the population is way more here. So because of that, I'm not ignoring you if you request of VIX 75. Don't get it wrong. I'm not ignoring you or the rest, but it's just we have more. You see what chart we check out now, and then we have over 90% of guys requesting for gold. So we can't leave gold and start looking at volatility in the season synthetic, right? So because of that, there will be a new channel that I'm going to create. There will run live training sessions for synthetic indices only. For those that have been here for a long time, they know that we actually started the channel to begin with from synthetic indices, right? As those that have been here for a while, they know that. So on synthetic indices, it became more like easy mode and some other reasons. So we had to switch to cash out even the more and things like that. So we'll open a new channel just for synthetic that will be able to stream trades there and have live trading sessions for synthetic indices only. So when we are done with, let's say, for example, a normal live stream here, we'll go on synthetic indices channel and we'll continue a live stream, but only synthetic indices. Okay, guys, let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. All right, what's happening on gold? What's happening on gold? Let's see. Just good. I'm here now. Okay. So this week on private channel was, I would say it was actually clean, even though we had two trades that didn't hit all three take profits, right? I think gold, we had one good trade to take profit, another good trade to take profit. Then we gave silver, right? We gave silver one to take profit, stuff like that. But the week was actually generous, smooth. Everything was just moving smoothly. But then we're also just waiting for the major crash that occurred yesterday, and to so good I waited, because after that we stormed in and then caught massively from that also. I dropped the updates of that stuff in a public channel just in case. And then this is where the chart is at now. I gave the reason for that crash, right? If you watch the most recent video on Instagram, I gave the reason for that crash. It's technically just an ATRO and then a volatility of the market, right? The liquidity of the market couldn't hold anymore. You can't keep buying forever, right? There's only as much as your cash can hold. So it gets to a point where there's no much liquidity in the charts anymore. There's no much liquidity in the market anymore. So the market has no choice than to reject everything. Rejecting means everyone start closing their orders to cash out profit so they can buy again or keep selling. Depends, right? So yeah. Okay, so let's see this thing on 1 hour time frame. Let's see if we can get a trade quickly on this. Okay, so these are very first zone, crash, tapped on this, played up. This was the entire movement that we caught that I was telling you about. It dropped towards this range, and wait, was it this? Yeah, it was. So it dropped towards this range. We caught the movement back towards the highs, and then it started crashing back towards the bottom again. All right, so now we can see that it tapped on this region here, which is a pretty nice region, but we don't know yet. So let's go on 4 hours time frame. For those sending messages to support saying that I should be explaining every single stuff, guys, that's not the purpose here, right? So we actually have, by the way, mentorship course 100 just launched. We'll talk about that later. Let's look for trade first. But what I'm trying to say is, yeah, we're just looking for trades to cash out and be done with this live trading session. There's no point explaining too much. I'm saying this for those that are always disturbing those on the support, saying that I don't explain more while we're live. Yeah, I'm just going into trades. We're not doing mentorship here, right? Yeah, we're just trying to cash out. So yeah, okay. So how we get the trade doesn't really matter so much. The main thing is that we end the live with profit, right? Or if it goes wrong, yeah, we don't want that, of course. But yeah, but then you get what I'm trying to say. The mission is to cash out and be done with this live trading session. We're not trying to do so much explanation. Okay. Okay, this is a major level we have here. We have another one here, another one here. So three major levels currently that we're having. Okay, pretty impressive. I'll leave this for now. I'm going to delete it now, but let me leave it for now. I just want to remember that. Let's go back to 1 hour time frame. So guys, please don't disturb support again, saying that I should start explaining. If we start explaining everything, we won't have a lot of trades here. There's no point doing that. Okay, okay. Technically, it just lapped on our first level, after which it took off from there. Oh, by the way, we have a sub level here. No wonder we had this. Okay, okay, pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting on a 1 hour time frame. Pretty interesting. Okay, let's see. Let's see 15 minutes. I don't want to. Let me even delete this. I don't need this anymore. I already saw myself. It's okay. I don't need that anymore. Okay. Well, technically, this was our sub just now, right? And then if we map out our internal just around this region, it means that it would have tapped here. Okay. It would have tapped, and then we have an external playing around this spot, creating two double zones. Let me just quickly map it out. Just second, so you see what I'm saying, so you're not like very confused. Also, this is the first and this is the second external that I'm telling you about. I want to start from the origin to save time. This is the second, playing around to hit on what they call on the triangular formation. Now, the fact that it's trying to create a triangular formation means that it still has capacity of dropping, crashing down again. Remember, we looked at 3 levels just now. So let's delete this. Let's delete this. I don't need this now. I don't need this also. Okay, okay, we have another internal just around this range. Okay, I'm gonna map this one. I think I'm gonna leave this for you because we'll have to work together now. Wait, hold up. You might not need to do anything, by the way. Interesting. Hold up. And then we haven't this. Okay, hold up. 5 minutes, guys. Be active. Now, I forgot to mention this. If you are new here, the way we trade, we don't give trades and hold forever. Like we don't do that here, right? This is not private channel. This is not VIP group, right? We want to go into a trade and be out within a few minutes, right? So two things can happen. You can push up, hit out, take profits, nice low. You can go against us. Well, so far so good. We've not lost any trade, like just trade up without hitting even a single take profit has not occurred. So far so good. But it can occur, right? It can, right? So we've had trades that hit 1 take profit, stop loss, 2 take profit, stop loss, or take profit and then still reverse or keep pushing up as the case may be. But the mission here is to go into a trade. We're not, so guys, don't snooze. And it may not, as I say, go in, be in already, because these trades can start moving, right? So if you are new here, I'm saying this because of you. So be active, guys. Be active. Don't slack, right? Don't snooze at all. Just be active. Okay, so this is stuff that we're looking at just now on the internal. Yeah, it makes sense because this stuff is trying to even come back again to lap on our region. To lap on our region there. Okay. Okay, yeah. The problem is actually pretty visible now, right? You can see the problem. Pretty visible. It's even why this stuff is crashing down. It's because this rage is back, is what they calling it? It's packed with a lot of rejection candlesticks. So nothing can happen. It's a crazy internal level. So we can't really go into a buy yet. So what we are going to do now, the mission now, we work together here. So your mission now is to watch out of this chart for this chart to tap on our region here. It's to watch out. Wait, is that the region? No, we see where it is, but you see, we don't want to play too much. So around this region, yeah, around that region, that's where we're having a maximum rejection zone. So good, around that region, right? That's the first thing. Now the second stuff that we'll be looking at is something like this. but won't go in. If it pushes out of this range, we can't go in. You know why? Also now, this place is packed with what they call it, a bearish hammer around this range. It's packed with that, and you can also see some crazy rejections around this range, right? Yeah, so we can't do that yet. We can't, and even here was having a bearish hammer also. So if it breaks out on this place, it's not a breakout. It's not, because we can have false breakouts get created. So what you are going to do now? Let's work together, guys. What you are going to do, if this thing pushes out of this range, and then we have a nice candlestick across this region, then alert, right? So guys, let me zoom this stuff out so you can see it. Guys, let's work together so we can check out other charts. We can't wait for gold and waste all the time. So let's do this pretty snappy. Let's do this snappy, and so we can get a trade. So guys, take a screenshot. Take a screenshot, guys. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. I'll repeat, we want this stuff to crash towards this. We don't need this anymore. Let me delete this. It's just like distraction. We don't need that. That's very useless to us. Well, this also, we don't need it. This is also useless to us now. I'm going to leave this so you can monitor both of them, right? So now we want this stuff to push above this exact region. We already calculated everything. And then you start spamming the chat there that, oh, Mr. P, check on gold. Let me activate my mobile chat this time. Remember last time we almost missed the trade because I just wasn't active checking from here. So yeah, let me be checking it out from here now. Good. So I'm active here. I'm active here. So I'll be checking it out. So if this occurs around that range here, and then we have news in just a few minutes, I think that's PMI, right? That's coming. So yeah, it has to hit one of these regions, right? So at the end of the day, so when it pushes and taps on a range, quickly alert us. We want to notice a crazy rejection out of this stuff. We want to look at a momentum on a chart, and from there, I want to storm into this stuff, right? That's what we want to do, or at this stop here. So guys, let's work together. Someone said, okay, let's do this. Okay, okay, guys, what chart will you check out next? What chart? What chart will you check out next, guys? What chart? Let's work together, guys. What chart will you check out next? What chart? Let's be in a trade. We can't spend all the time on gold. You know how we do it here. We try not to waste time. We try utilizing so we can get as much trades, as many trades as possible. Guys, stay active. Stay active. What chart will you check out next, guys? Stay active. What chart will you check out next? Okay. Okay, I can see some Euro USD. Just a second. I can see some Euro USD. Can see US30. Well, are we having a lot of Euro USD today? I'm seeing things. It's pretty strange, right? I can see EU everywhere. Oh no, wait, maybe. Oh, hold up. Let me check. Current time is 16, so let me see. Okay, I can see Nasdaq, BTC, GJ there. But guys, I think we're having more Euro USD. Let's be honest here. I think you will notice it yourself, right? I think we have quite a lot of Euro USD, guys. Let hold up. Someone said, did you say PMI has been? Hold up. PMI is yet to be released, right? That's getting released in like, is it like 30 minutes or something? Roughly 30 minutes, exactly 28 minutes or so. So it's not released. That's Derby, right? Yeah, it's not released. It's not released yet. Yeah, PMI is yet to be released. Oh, you were talking about PPI. Sorry, you were talking about PPI, right? Okay, I mentioned PMI, not PPI. So that was what we're waiting for, right? So that when that stuff drops, then we should be experiencing some nice market volatility. Okay, guys, let's look at EURUSD. It's pretty clear that a lot of guys are requesting for EURUSD. There's no point not doing it. We work with what majority is requesting for. Work with what majority is requesting for. Okay, let's check out EURUSD. Let's check out EURUSD. Okay, so this is what we're having your USD. Okay, interesting, interesting. It's just on 15 minutes time frame. The chart just looks dead, like it's as if it's not moving. Like the volatility is disappointing. From what I can see here, the volatility is just disappointing. Like, but it's fine. It's fine. Let's check out. Wait. Oh yeah, wonder. Okay, good. Let's check out 4 hours first. Yeah, right. Yeah, I know, right? I know. It just a few days ago we're kind of like, okay, finally seems like is Eurusd is pushing up again. Like euro pushing up, that means gold. Like I say gold, that means dollar kind of like dropping somehow. And now it seems like we're having the opposite again, right? Happening on a chart like this, right? Something like this. But then it's actually still interesting. But even at what you see here, it doesn't fully mean that the US dollar is gaining power, because in real life the US dollar is not gaining power now, not now at all, right? Yeah, currently not now, right? So what you are just seeing is a ratio of the strength of euro to dollar. Even the stuff that you're seeing, it doesn't. Yes, if you check it in real life currently, the dollar is not doing very well now. We hope it starts performing very, very well, but it's not doing very well now. Fact that you see Euro USD going down is just a ratio of the strength of euro to dollar, right? Which is kind of like even temporal for the meantime when we look at it on fundamentals. But it's okay. Let's look for a chart. Let's look for something that we're having. We noticed that this stuff started flying into the highs, and then we had a nice support region just around this range here. Now, if we go on a 1 hour time frame, someone said we are not going to find a trade on what they calling it, on Euro USD. That we should check Nasdaq. Okay, let's check it out first. If we don't, you will find a trade or not. Okay, just hold up, just hold up. Let's do this pretty quickly though. Let's see, so we can be in a trade. I think so far so good. We've gone live several. I don't know, maybe like I think it should be over 10 times already this year. Is it over? Over 10 times. I think it's over 10 times. I think we've gone into a trade every single time we're live, right? Like multiple trades actually, except Saturdays. Yeah, when we just look at the entire stuff or what's happening for this week. Okay, so basically, this is actually a support region that is holding our stuff now. A support region holding it. And the guy that was speaking just now might just be right. We might not get a trade on this stuff. Because, okay, wait, let's not conclude. Let's not conclude. Hold up. Let's not conclude. If we look at our major internal, which is supposed to get created, which is yet to be created, it should be around this range. And it's not. It's not even close to this range yet. But I know. You can see a standard around this region, which we highlighted first just now. But hold up, guys. Hold up. Just hold up. Okay, no, it's okay. I was looking at it in a different way. I thought, okay, but even at that, even if we ignore this, we ignore the internal resistance that is supposed to get created naturally on our chart. Even if we ignore that, it hasn't given us a major rejection on our support region. Also, it has not, meaning that anyhow it has a potential of still dropping down, and we don't want to buy yet. We don't want to sell yet on this chart because this trend is shifting into the high. So why should we sell? Like, if you sell and you start going up, what would you do? Like, your capital is gone. It's too late, right? So because of that, we can also see on our chart that it seems like it has not even tapped on our support level, so it's not even rejected to begin with. But let's not draw a conclusion yet. I can see gold. Guys are spamming gold. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, guys. I see. Yeah, it's flying, but it does not hit our level, guys. Yeah, it's flying. I can see it. Yeah. I'm on good, guys. I'm on good. Yeah. We're together, guys. We're together. I'm on good. Let's see. Let's see if it fulfills the condition there. Let's stay here for a few minutes to see. Let's stay here for a few minutes to see what happens. Okay, so this 5 minutes time frame, in like 2 minutes, a new candlestick will be formed. So let's see what happens if it actually breaks above a zone or if it doesn't. That's like closes above a zone. Excuse me. I'm trying to check it out now on my what do you call it, on my mobile view. Let's stay on gold for just maybe two. Okay, 1 minute now, 1 minute more. Let's stay on gold for one more minute. Let's see in case this stuff gets completed so we can be in a trade. Why is this my stuff not loading up? What's happening here? Is this stuff getting rejected exactly? That's exactly at a level 5087. Okay, let's see. It's not closed yet, but let's watch and see. That's exactly on our level. It's getting rejected, but it's not too late. A few more seconds. A few more seconds. Because why I place that level there, guys, so we can actually see. Hold up, guys. Hold up. Hold up. Just stay with me. Hold up. Guys, remember I told you always be active. It got rejected exactly at a zone, right? It's actually very visible to you, right? It got rejected exactly at a zone, right? It was why we had to place that stop in. Okay, so basically that's it. That's it. So keep monitoring it, and if anything, keep spamming it in the chat also. Keep spamming it in the chat also. Okay, let's proceed. So we're looking at your USD, right? Okay, so yeah, 1 hour time frame. Let's go on 15 minutes time frame and see now what's happening. Let's go on 15 minutes time frame and see what's happening. Okay. Yeah. Guys, we can't do anything on this stuff. There's no point wasting time here. Like, there's no point. There's no point wasting time here. Honestly, there's no point. Now, even if we say, okay, let's squeeze it and scalp so much and just squeeze everything, it's actually still pretty dangerous. If we look at it in this way, yeah. Okay, let's go on 5 minutes time frame. Let's go on 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, we just can't. Guys, forget about your USD for now. Maybe we should check it out in like 15 minutes or 20 minutes from now. Not now, guys. You can see the level is going to tap on it. Like it's not free trick, it's not magic, right? It's literally going to tap on it now, right? So okay. Except maybe it doesn't. Can waste waste the other day, remaining day. Okay, guys. So there's a chart. Let's check it out. So there's a chart, guys. It's not cool. We're not in a trade yet. We're not in a trade. Normally, we're supposed to be in a trade already. Guys, so just a chart. Let's be in a trade. Guys, so just a chart. What chart should we look at? Let's be in a trade, guys. Let's be in a trade. It's not cool. We're not in a trade yet. Guys, so just a chart. What chart should you check out? Guys, what chart should you check out? Someone is talking about the mentorship. Yeah, a mentorship costs 100. If you want to check out mentorship costs 100, I place a QR code there. Even though I will explain everything about that when we're in a trade. We're not in a trade yet. So yeah, but if you want to be checking it out for the now, the QR code is there. You can just scan it and check it out. For now, we're still looking for a trade. That's the most important thing now. Let's get a trade first, then we'll talk about all of those stuff. Okay, I can see GU. I can see GU. I can see silver, US30, GJ. Someone said you can't see the full charts. Is there a person that can't see the full charts? And guys, remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe, guys. Guys, hit on the like and subscribe. Hit on like and subscribe. Guys, remember to hit on the like and subscribe. Okay, so I can see Nasdaq. I can see silver. Someone said a pair name, make it visible. The two stuff that we're looking at, we can see XAG and EURUSD. Those are the two stuffs we're looking at. And it's currently on EURUSD. It's like very visible there. Like you can see that it's on EURUSD. Okay, guys, I'm not sure. Guys, write what chart do you want to check out? I'm seeing, should we just go for any chart here now at this point? I'm seeing Nasdaq. Should I assume that we have more of Nasdaq? Because I can see pretty much a lot of Nasdaq here, and a lot of GJ actually also. Yeah, guys, I think Nasdaq takes this one. Yeah, I think Nasdaq takes this one, guys. I think Nasdaq takes this one. You can check it out also, but I think I can see a lot of Nasdaq, a lot of US 100. Guys, let's check out Nasdaq. I remember, guys, hit on the like. I remember to subscribe. Remember to hit on the like. I remember to subscribe, guys. Excuse me. Okay, so let's check out Nasdaq. Which of my Nasdaq stuff should I use? Let's use this. Okay. So let's go. So these are Nasdaq. That's what we'll be checking out now. Okay. First, let's go on our 4 hours. Let's see something. Let's see the magic that has been happening. See the magic that has been going on. We are not in a trade yet. This is just so crazy, guys. This is just so crazy. We are not in a trade yet. Just so crazy. Okay, good bullish hammer. Yeah, pretty nice. That's good news. Like, I just got excited when I saw that. Someone wrote, guys are writing gold. What's happening on gold again? Guys, nothing is happening on gold. It's still it rejected below the stop, guys. Nothing is happening there. Like, the mission is when it crosses above. You can see the exact level we placed. It got rejected, guys. Okay, so please just, yeah, we want it to cross above our level before anything. Want it to cross our level before anything. Okay. Okay, let's go back to Nasdaq, right? So we're back on Nasdaq. Okay, so this is what we're having currently on our stuff. This is what we're having. Just a second. Let's reduce this stuff a bit. Since I saw someone saying that it's actually like we should reduce the picture or something. Yeah, so it's okay. It's okay. I reduced that. Someone requested for it, so I just had to quickly do that. Okay. So this is what we're having currently. Now, like I was telling you just now, I'm actually so excited because we're having a bullish hammer here. That's actually impressive to begin with, and it's happening on a 4 hours time frame. So that's good. Honestly, that's really good. That's really good. Let's go on 1 hour now. Let's see. Let's go on 1 hour. Let's see. Yo, why is the 1 hour giving us an evening star and then backing it up with another evening star? Like what's going on? Like 1 hour just killed my morale. But it's okay. Let's see first. Let's not conclude, right? Jumping into conclusion isn't what we want to do now. Why is everyone spamming gold? We just left it now. Like, is anything happening on gold? Guys, remember, spam gold only when it crosses above our level there or drops. It crossed. Okay, let's check it out. It's fine. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it crossed. So now we are waiting for another 3 minutes for this stock to, if it breaks above, right? That's if it closes above, or like the simplest form, if you see a new candlestick above this range, right? If you see a new candlestick above that range, our first condition would have been accomplished, right? Then the second stuff, we look at the momentum of the charts. For now, we can't go in, guys. We can't, right? Okay, we can't. Okay, so in 2 minutes we check it out. In 2 minutes we check it out. Let's see Nasdaq again. In 2 minutes we check it out. I'm trying to multitask so we can be in a trade. In 2 minutes we check it out. Yeah, in 2 minutes we check it out now. Okay. Yeah, so what we are having, wait, hold up. Here's the one I was looking at just now, right? It doesn't seem as bad. It's not very good, but it doesn't seem as bad. The main reason is because if we map out this adverse stuff here, then we are having this, meaning that a crash is still bound to happen on our Nasdaq somehow, right? If we leave that and we check out on our 4 hours, how many minutes left? 1 minute, right? If we check it out on our 4 hours, this is what we are having. So it's pretty tricky. It's actually pretty tricky on our Nasdaq currently. But then we're going to come back to it now. We're going to come back to it. Let's check out gold first. We're going to come back to Nasdaq now. Let's check out gold. Okay, so this was happening on our gold. Let's see now what happens. I know, guys, it's flying, but you see, rules are rules, right? Rules are rules. We don't rush into a trade because it's looking nice to rush into. We go into the trade because it's only right to go into the trader. A new candlestick will get formed in just 1 minute, less than 1 minute actually. The rejection has started. Guys, stay active, guys. When it gets formed, then we'll test the momentum, and from there we can see if we can go into a trade very quickly. Yeah, that's a new candlestick. Now it's time to test momentum. Okay, direction of our momentum doesn't look pretty nice, but it's okay. Just hold up. The momentum itself is not bad. It's just the direction. So for now, hold up. Stay active, guys. Stay active. Stay active, guys. Just stay active. Stay active, guys. Stay active. Stay active, guys. Okay. Stay active, guys. Stay active. Stay active. Okay. All right. So, okay, technically around that region now, and it's crashing below that region. And a little bit, right? Okay. In the range. Hold up, hold up. Okay, guys, let's go into the trade. Let's go into the trade now from around this region. Okay. Yeah, that's a crazy volatility, right? Now, we have a PMI that is happening very soon. So because of that, we'll have to increase our take profit levels, but we also have to increase our SL a little bit, right? A little bit more this time around than usual because a PMI is coming, so we might have like a crazy backdrop first before that happens. It's just normal, right? It's just normal. Okay. So we'll be targeting just around that range here. This is like 1.8. And it'll be going up to around this region. Nope. Let's take it up a bit. This 1.6, which is normal for our scalping, but let's see. I'm thinking on increasing the take profit a little bit more. But hold up. Let's see. This is not our final yet. Let's check 15 minutes time frame. Yeah. Well, this is not bad. This is not bad. This is 1.6 also, right? This is 1.6 also. Yeah. Let's leave it on 1.6 like that. We have PMI coming. So I think this level might be able to sustain PMI. Then after a PMI, then we can drag our SL up again. You know how we do it, right? So we can drag it up, we can adjust everything and all of those. But since our PMI is coming up, let's just be safe. You know how we traded what they call it now? Our NFP the last time. Created enough room for a backdrop, After the backdrop boom started flying, right? Just similar stuff that we should be expecting here. So the only hope is that this stuff can actually sustain. Technically, it can't sustain because it's below a first, second, and below a third, just not really below what they call very, is it with first, second, third? Yeah, just not below a fourth because that won't be proper risk management. So let's leave it like this. It's okay. Yeah, so we'll be targeting around this range for TP1. Now, guys, by the way, we can't really give like very long stuff on this trade yet because we are still expecting crash on gold. The crash on gold is not done yet. It's not done. Like, I mean, the very first crash. So after the first crash, it's going to go a little bit bullish again. After that, we're going to experience the second crash. After that, the third crash is going to occur. It's just the situation of the market currently when you look at your ATR. Okay, hold up. No, I don't want to even use this. I forgot I'm not recording here. I'm just streaming live. So let's make it a lot easier. I forgot I'm not recording here. I'm just streaming live. So let me highlight all the levels. I forgot I'm not recording. I'm just streaming live. So let me highlight all the levels so you can see it. At a point, I forgot I'm not alone. I forgot that I'm not alone. So I was just placing it that way you wouldn't see the exact level for take profit and the rest. So I just forgot. I was like, oh, I'm recording a video, so let me just place all this stuff like that randomly to save time. But it's fine. It's fine. Since we're streaming live, let me just show you everything so you can, yeah. So technically, these are all of our stops. These are all of our stops, guys. Remember, always use proper risk management and always stay active, right? Now, always stay active. The reason for that is, in case anything want to go wrong on our chart, right, I can easily tell you to zoom off, or our chart can be pushing towards the highs. It might not have hit or take profit, and I can also tell you to zoom off the trade, right? Yeah, I can also tell you to zoom off the trade. So far, so good. We've not had any trade that we gave that they're going to stop loss immediately. At least for this year, we've not had one, right? So far, so good. It doesn't mean that it won't happen, right? It can happen. Today might be the first day. It has not happened for all the weeks or for the entire month. Doesn't mean it's impossible. So because of that, always use proper risk management. Always, all the time. Now for our chart here, we are good because we have like a lot of backup levels. Okay, this first one is fine. But then we have a backup level here. That's the first. We have another one around this region. That's the second. Another one here. That's the third. Another one here. That's the fourth. We're having a fifth one here and a sixth one here. And finally, just around our SL level, we're having a sixth one. So on this trade, we have 6 backup regions. 6 backup regions, right? So, well, it can go down and hit on our SL, but it's very unlikely. Very unlikely. At least for the now, from what the chart is showing for the now, right? It's very unlikely. Okay. So guys, let's go back to Nasdaq. Okay, for Nasdaq, guys, no need to waste our time. No need to waste our time. We can't go into a trade yet on this thing. No point waste. Okay, wait. I want to check out something. Wait. I want to check out something. Let's see. Yeah, guys, no point. No point. Let's not waste our time. There's no point analyzing something that we won't get a trade from. There's no point. There's no point, guys. Guys, suggest a different chart we can check out. Let me highlight this in case it's going into a red or anything. We can easily just detect that. You can easily just detect it. So guys, what chart would you check out next? What chart? And then I wasn't checking my stuff here, my flow here. Okay, let me check it out from here. Let me see the live chart, what guys are saying. Let me see live chart, what guys are saying. Okay, don't you think it's so high, right? It's too high. That's our take profit, right? Our take profit. Yeah, that's solution mafia. You think our take profit is too high? Well, technically, it's not too high because PMI is happening like 3 minutes or so. It's not too high technically. And then yeah, so for now, let's just chill and wait and see how it goes. Technically, it's not too high. PMI is starting and we can already see the reaction of it. You can already see the reaction of it. But guys, use proper risk management like I've told you. And what chart we check out next, guys? What chart? Let's multitask. Let's always have a backup plan. It's always good to have a backup plan just in case. So let's go to have a backup plan just in case. Guys, what chart will you check out? What chart will you check out, guys? What chart? Guys, what chart will you check out? Guys, I'm not recommending charts. Like, it seems like we just gave gold and everyone chilled. Guys, what chart? What chart? Let's be on a different trade also, guys. Let's be on a different trade. Guys, let's be on a different trade. Let's be on a different trade, guys. What chart will you check out? Let's go into a different trade also. Let's utilize time. Let's utilize time properly. Time is moving pretty fast. Guys, what chart will you check out? Remember, guys, remember to hit on like and remember to subscribe. Remember to hit on like and remember to subscribe, guys. Remember to hit on like and remember to subscribe, guys. Okay, should we just check out GJ? I can see quite a lot of people requesting for GJ. Okay, let's check GBP JPY then. Guys, be monitoring gold in case anything wants to go wrong, right? We can see that it's still on retracement. It's still within a backup region, which is good, but still on the retracement like this. On my trade, what am I running on my trade, by the way, currently? I think I'm still in red. I'm still in red, right? I have to refresh it. Well, technically, I'm not on red. Funny enough, like when did I go into? Oh yeah, I placed then I went into mine. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, I get. That's why. I get. Yeah, that's why it happens. Okay, but yeah, let me open back my chart so I can see my stuffs. Can you check out GJ? I can see a lot of GJ, guys. What do you guys think? Someone said we should check out US30. Should we check out US30? Should we check out US30? Someone else is talking about someone is talking about BTC, that we can go into BTC instead. We should check out BTC. Guys, which of them should we check out? Guys, stay active in the chat, guys, so we can know what to check out. Stay active. What chart do you want to check out, guys? What chart? Guys, what chart do you want to check out? Okay, I think I can see a lot of GJ. Yeah, let's be honest. I think I can see a lot of GJ. Yeah, I can see a lot of US30 also, by the way. I can see a lot of US30 also. Okay, guys, let's. Someone said we should stay on gold. Like, we shouldn't trade any other chart again. Like, that was what guys are saying. Okay, let's check out GG first. Let's check out GG first. Let's utilize this stuff. Since Nasdaq is pretty useless to us currently. Let me go on 15 minutes time frame also. I'm coming. We'll check out GG now. Just a second. Nasdaq is pretty useless to us currently. With its current, it might go up. I don't know, like. Might crash, but high tendency of it crashing based on current formation, like crazy high tendency of it still crashing. But yeah. Okay, let's check out our GJ. Okay, so this is what we're having. Guys, remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe. Remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe, guys. Okay, this GJ doesn't look bad, at least on what I'm seeing on 15 minutes. Let's see for us. For us, boom. Cross. Okay, let me show you that so you can see it. It's fine. Don't mind. Good. You can see it, right? Around this range. Now, if you look at our immediate range should go around this spot. which is still good, right? Now, if we leave this and we decide to check for our internal is pretty nice also. It makes sense why guys are requesting for this chart. It makes sense why guys are requesting for this chart. Makes sense. If we check out our internal horizontal here, it's still good. Okay, let's see on 1 hour. Wait, hold up. Yeah, still good. Let's check out on 1 hour. Guys, see active. We might get a trade on this. I think I should have checked this sooner actually. Okay, and on 1 hour, hold up. Still good. Not bad. Only thing now we're looking at is an internal zone around this region, right? Which is good. 1 hour. If we look at it from our ranges, not bad. Okay, let's check 15 minutes time frame. Guys, how's our gold going? How's our gold going? Guys, how's our gold going? How's our good stuff going? Guys, give updates. Give updates as to check this stuff out. I can be in 2 places at the same time. So guys, give updates. Give updates. How's gold going? Is it still retracing? Someone said he's selling GJ. You're selling it currently as it is. Wait, hold up. One thing we didn't check out. Hold up. Just a second. Yeah, so bro, why are you selling it? Like, why is that? Okay, yeah, I guess you have your reasons, right? You never know, like, you never know. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's check out. 15 doesn't look that bad. Guys, what's our update on gold? Guys, what's our update on gold? Give me an update, guys. What's update on gold? What's the update on gold? Okay, so we have nice stuff here around this region. Top already, boom. Okay, might be able to get a trade on this stuff. Guys, okay, it's going up, right? But it's still close to our entry. Okay, still close to our entry, it's fine. So what I'm trying to look at for now on this stuff is just a momentum. Our momentum looks messed up currently. Momentum looks messed up currently, but GJ looks pretty nice. Hold up. I think we'll go into a trade here, but trying to observe. Just a second. Let me do another confirmation quickly. No, hold up. Someone saying he's narrowing into a triangle on M15. Yeah, that's a good thing. That's what it's doing. That's a good thing. Okay, guys, we can go into this, I think. Hold up. Let's check 15 minutes, not 10 minutes. 15 minutes time frame again. Okay. Okay, so let's go into a scalp trade on this stuff then. But hold up first. We'll tell you when to go in now. Guys, what's update on gold now? What's update on gold? I'm still stuck on JPY. I think we can get a trade here, so I don't want to leave it. I don't want to leave it yet. I'm still stuck here. I don't want to leave it. I'm still stuck here. Guys, how's it like? Someone said it's flying in profits. Gold is down. Gold is in red. Oh, gold is in red. Oh, it's playing around our entry, right? It's playing around our entry, so it's fine. Okay, someone says in red. Slightly in drawdown. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. We'll check it out now. I don't want to leave GJ. I'm still just trying to check out the momentum. We might get a trade on this stuff. We might get a trade. Okay, let's see. Instead of wasting time here, yes, let's see what happens in 2 minutes. Let's see what happens in 2 minutes on GJ. Let's see what happens in 2 minutes. Let's see what happens in 2 minutes on GJ. Okay. It has not fully passed the momentum test. So because of that, we are holding up. You don't want to go into a trade and straight up into poverty, right? Like just go in and draw down immediately, right? Okay, let's see gold. We'll wait in 1 more minute, then we'll see GJ back. We'll go back to GJ. Yes, yeah. So our PMI didn't really do much. We're hoping on our PMI to act, but yeah, gold is actually not looking very good now, right? It's not looking very good now. It's not looking the best currently. Okay, but then we have another backup level around this region, so we are still good. Another backup region around this spot, so we are still good. GJ is not looking the best currently, but it's okay. I said GJ, XAUSD. Yeah, this kind of like crashing on us, not kind of, it's actually crashing on us. This might be our very first SL upon entry for January, and then the month is ending. This might be our very first SL. This might be our very first. But it's good because we still have what they claim, we still have all our levels backing us up. Our first backup levels, I said our first backup level, I think this is like a third or fourth or so. I think this is a third or fourth, right? And then we have a fourth around this region also. So guys, yeah, this is crashing on us. It's crashing on us, guys. It's crashing on us. Okay. We have just our fourth backup level now left. Wait, hold up. Already crossed that. Yeah, so we have a fifth around this region. Yeah, playing around that range. So let's see what happens. Let's stick to this since we're already on this. This might be our very first XL for this month. Like straight XL that without hitting any take profit at all. This might be the first. And it's not fully surprising because the crash on gold, the first crash on gold is not fully done. So it's not like extremely surprising. But basically, that was our fifth support level. That was our fifth backup level, I mean. That is pushing this stuff back now. Then we have the last one just right below where it got rejected. Right below where it got rejected. Let's stick to this. Let's stick to this for now. Okay. 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 Yeah, this is almost stopping on SL, guys. SL for the year. I face SL for the year, I guess. But it's okay. Let's keep checking it out. This is on our last backup level currently. Yeah. Boom. Took us out, guys. Took us out, guys. Yeah. So, guys, basically, yeah. So for gold, we're actually out on gold. This is our first registered ASL for the year. Very crazy. Very, very crazy. Let's go back to GJ then. Yeah, so GJ is actually failed on our momentum test. Yeah, actually failed, so it's dropping back down now. Guys, this is actually crazy. This is actually really crazy. This is our first ASL for the year. That was without any take profit at all, just straight up XL. Actually crazy, guys. Actually crazy. I know, right? I know. Actually crazy. Let's see what's happening on it now. Yeah. Let's see our 15 minutes time frame. What's going on? Let's see what's going on. Now, someone is adding few lots. Don't do that, guys. Don't do that. Like, yeah. Either face ASL for the year without any take profit hit at all. Very crazy. Very crazy. Very crazy. And this happened on the 30th of January. We're going to add this to our journal. We're going to add this to our journal. We're going to add this to our journal. Here's ASL for the year. Okay, guys. So for now, we can't really do anything on this gold. For now, we can't really do anything now. I know it just stopped and then it's going up. I know, but we can't do anything now. We're not going in, at least not yet. We're not even doing anything with that now. Let's check out our GJ instead. Let's check out our GJ instead. So guys, this might be our first live trading session that would have ended without any nice profits. I know, guys, it's really sad, but that's how trading works, right? So sometimes it is what it is. We just accept it as it is, right? Okay. All right. So let's see our 1 hour again on this. Okay, yeah, you can see it failed a momentum test just around this region and started this crash. Failed a momentum test and started this crash. So now the second is about to begin. So we'll see what happens from here. Technically just around this range. Technically just around this range. Yeah. Someone said we should switch to sell on gold. Like, you love gold that much. Like, now we don't do that. We don't do that here, guys. You don't buy and then you sell. When you take SL, you take it with honor and then you move on, right? That's how it works. So it's okay, guys. It's okay. I face SL for the year. It is what it is. January 30th. Mark it on your calendar, on your journal. It is what it is, right? So don't sell like, oh, it's going down. No, let me sell. So if it's going back up, you close the sale and then you start buying. No, it's not how it works, guys. It's not how it works. It's not how it works. Okay, so for GBP JPY, I'm trying to map out a region. We might get a trade, so I'm just trying to wait for this. We'll see together. Okay. Someone said we're going to revenge on on Monday, right? No, we don't do revenge trading, guys. Of course, we're going to cash out massively at the end of the day, right? We're going to cash out massively at the end of the day. Private channel will wait until the stuff is perfect. So anyhow, we're going to cash out massively on Monday. So anyhow, so it's why we're not really stressed. We've been eating from the market. So if we chop one ASL for this month, tomorrow is 31st. So it's pretty much a clean month. In private channel, well, no ASL, but on a live here, we hit an ASL. Crazy. But then just we're still looking at GJ. Let's see if we can still get something on GJ. For now, we just have to wait. Okay. All right. Yeah, GJ is not getting completed yet. It's not getting getting completed yet. So just have to wait, right? We just have to wait. Okay. It's almost tapping on our region, so we just have to wait a little bit more. Someone said there's an external trend line that got rejected on a 15 minutes time frame. What chart are you talking about? What chart are you talking about, guys? There's an external trend line that got rejected on our M15, right? Okay. Yes, you're on a 5 minutes time frame again. Okay, GJ is not getting complicated. It's not getting completed, guys. It's not getting completed for the meantime. It's not getting completed for the meantime. So I guess we might have to leave this stuff. We might have to leave this stuff, guys. We might have to leave this stuff for now. Why are you saying we should check out gold again? Yeah. So yeah, this is why we can't go in yet. You can see that. Stay crashing. Someone is talking about trend. Like, what do you mean by the trend? Gold is still on an uptrend. I don't understand. Did you change the trend on gold? Gold is still on an uptrend. Like, don't let this crash deceive you yet, right? Still on an uptrend. You can see it. Still on an uptrend, right? But then the crash is not done. Remember, I told you first, but we're supposed to just go in and out. But it's okay, guys. It's okay. All right, let's see GJ again. Okay, seems like it got rejected finally. Seems like it got rejected finally. So we're going to give one more trade on this, and then I'll give you updates as regards the trade in our public channel. But hold up first. It's not yet done. It's not yet done. It's not yet done. So just hold up for now. Okay, let's see. 5 minutes. Good. It's done now. Okay, so let's go into a trade on a G. Hold up. Yeah. Let's go into a trade on a GJ, right? Just around our region here. Right? And then we're targeting around this zone here for SL. And then this is GJ. So yeah, everything is actually looking cool. So we're going for like 1.7. 1.7 on GJ. Right, 1.7 on GJ. Okay, let's just say exactly 1.7. Good. And then this would be our first take profit around the region here. This would be a second. This would be a second. And then this would be our third. Now I want to crash our SL a little bit more. I want to crash it a little bit more. I want it to just go up a little bit like this. Okay, so that's like 1.73 that we're working with. You can't see the numbers. Are you sure about that? Hold up, let me see. The numbers are pretty visible, right? Okay. I see what. Yeah, I see what you're talking about. I see it. I see it. Just give me a second. I'll adjust that very quickly. Okay. All right. So that's it. That's what we're having. I think that is visible now, right? Yeah, all our values are visible now, right? I guess so. Okay. So yeah, so we're on GJ. On GJ, ACL level is just around this zone here. Okay. How the numbers now? Can you see the numbers, the values and all? So okay. All right. So this is what we're having currently on GJ, guys. This is what we're having. Let's see how GJ plays out. By the way, what's update on gold? What's update on gold? How's gold even going now? Yeah, I just got rejected around this range. Let's see 1 hour. Yeah, it closed with a bullish hammer here actually. Just saw that now also. And for GJ, this is what we're having. Right? This is what we're having for GJ. Okay, guys, recommend one more chart we can check out. Oh wait, hold up, before recommending, how much time do we have left? Okay, this is like 1 hour 15 minutes already, so it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Let's just stick with our GJ, and I think from here, let's just stick with our GJ. Someone say we should do another trade on gold. No, we don't do that here, guys. We give re-entry, but only when the stuff is fully completed. Right? We don't revenge trade here, right? So we don't, right? We don't. The formation is basically messed up currently, right? So there's no point, and we don't sell on gold, right? Not while it's on a massive uptrend. I know it's having a crash now, very necessary. ATRO, EMAs, they are all like crazy. They're having some crazy values currently, so a crash is inevitable. But that doesn't start convincing us to. That doesn't start convincing us to start selling gold. That doesn't start convincing us to start selling gold. Okay, that's not bad. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, how's our GG? Now, by the way, guys, yeah, just like as we're waiting for this, now MC100 has actually launched just yesterday, right? So MC100 actually launched, right? So, so yeah, MC100 actually launched. So let me just quickly show you that as we wait for our trade, right? As we wait for our trade, let me just quickly show you that. So we hold these just once in a while every year, right? So just 100 slots available for MC100. Oh, the stop loss for GJ is not showing. Oh, hold up. Let's look at that first. That's not showing. But then the stop loss is 212030. 212030. That's 212.030. 212.030. Right? That's the stop loss in case you can't see it. In case you can't see it. So yeah, so our MC100 is actually launching, right? And it will be happening from on the 2nd through to on the 12th, 2nd through to on the 12th of March, right? So that's when it will be happening. And the registration is available for just 100, right? Now, the reason is because this training is more like a personal stuff where interaction is actually very, very important. So because of that, we try to limit the number of spaces. Guys, we're monitoring GJ. We're monitoring GJ for now. Okay. Yeah. So basically, this just it. Let me just quickly show you that. So this just it, right? So yeah. So it actually contains pretty much a lot of stuff. It's why we do it like just rarely, right? Just we do this stuff twice, just sometimes once every year, sometimes twice every year. So it's not something that happens every time. Right, so I'll be teaching one-on-one, and then just because we're limited to just a max of 100 space, it's easier to communicate with everyone, easier to run live sessions. So more like you learn how to trade, not just like a course, but then you get to trade it yourself, and then you get to hit target, right? So we can be trading from, let's say, 100 to 1,000, and then we learn that, we see all the principles of it, and then we do it live, right? We practicalize it, you trade it, you hit your target, 100 to 1,000 bucks, you do that yourself, or we can go for, let's say, 100 to 500, we can do any of those stuff, we can go for 1,000 to like 5,000, we just do different targets, set different target things like that. Of course, that's after learning all the conditions for everything, right? Now, we also have normal live trading sessions on this stuff. This stuff also places you in the private channel, 12 months, right? 12-month subscription actually places you there, grants you access to automated strategy. You also win a funded account if you pass the competition, Remember, I was telling you, so everyone is learning the same thing. So at the end of the day, no one will be a novice. So you have to compete with everyone that knows to prove that you know better than others, right? And so after that, well, if you win, then you get a funded account of 10K, right? And then yeah, live training sessions, like I already mentioned. Yeah, realistic live trading practice, like I told you. So you're not just learning, you are doing it live there on real life charts, right? Just like that, right? And so on all of these stuffs, the main thing is that we're covering a lot of stuffs, right? That's our course outline is massive. Like our course outline is massive. That's if you go on the website, mrpfx.com, or check the link in the description box, you see it. And then you can check out the full course outline. It's really massive. Like it's really massive. There are a lot of stuffs that we'll cover here, and that's why we limit it to just 100 traders, just 100 traders, 100 traders only, right? So you can see all of the course outline here. Let me just show you those. You can see everything here. Yeah. So psychology of pro trader, how to grow these past prep firm challenges. By the way, you also learn how to automate your strategy. Yeah, through this place. So if you want to automate a strategy, you have a strategy that you want to automate to work automatically for you, then we'll also cover all of those stuffs here, right? C chart completely different. And then proven strategies, right? That we teach, we look at it because it's just 100 people, so it's very easy to do. We look at it, we go live, we experience it in real life charts, we take trades using these things to make sure that we are not just saying theoretical stuffs, we're practicalizing it in real life. So the practicals will be even more than the theoretical part. I think it's more like 70-30 or 80-20 or so. So we have more of practicals that you are doing it yourself. You have issues, you ask questions, we proceed just like that, right? And then these are all of the course outlines, right? You can't start reading everything out here, but basically all of our course outlines there. So to register, the QR code is right there on the left-hand side now. You can scan that, you can use that to register. Provided there are still slots. For now, there are still slots available because it just launched, right? But with time, the slots are going to reduce naturally. Okay, so guys, how our trade going? How's our trade going now? How's our trade going now, guys? Let's see. Okay. All right, so that almost stopped on our take profit, but still just playing around. So what we're just gonna do, we'll just wait and see how this stuff plays out. I'm going to update you in a private channel, in a public channel. Our stuff didn't really go very well today on our gold, but it's fine. Face SL for the year on a live trading session. It's okay. A good way to close the year, to close the month anyhow. Yeah. So that's it, guys. So guys, I think that's it for now. That's it for now. That's it for now. Okay. So guys, remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe, guys. Very, very important. Remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe. Okay, back to intro, right? Someone said we should do GBP USD also. Should we do GBP? Should we check out GBP USD also? Should we check out GBP USD also? Well, it's okay. Let's just stick with GBP JPY for now. I'm trying to delay this stuff a bit because I want first take profit to be hit. That's why I'm still here. I want first take profit to be hit on GJ at least, right? So I'm delaying a little bit because I want it to get hit, but excuse me, guys. Still just playing around. Still just playing around. So the momentum itself is not like bad, but it will be much better if it just pushes up now because the formation is actually good to fly. It's actually really good to fly. It's actually really good to fly. But for now, it will just be to wait a little bit and see how it goes. Just be to wait a little bit and see how it goes. Okay. That seems to be moving finally. That seems to be moving finally. Very nice. Okay. Yeah, we're almost hitting our first take profit. So yeah. Guys, remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe, guys. Someone said I found an FVG, right, on the 1 hour chart for gold, right? Okay, we're not going to go trade now, right? We'll have to go into go trade on Monday, right? But for now, let's see what happens on GJ. Okay, Master May, right? 2025. Seems like you're new year. You're welcome. Guys, remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe, guys. Okay, this doesn't seem like it's tapping yet. It doesn't seem like it's tapping yet. So guys, what's going to happen is I'm going to have to drop an update later on this in a public channel. But for now, it's not tapping yet. So I'll just drop an update a little bit later. Okay, it seems like it wants to move finally. Seems like it wants to move finally, guys. Okay. This just doesn't want to move. Okay, that's a new candlestick. Okay, that was very close now. Okay, so that's a TP1. That's a TP1 on GBP That's a TP1 on a GBP That's a TP1 on a GBP Finally, okay. Yeah, so we just have to wait for that stuff to get hit very quickly. We just have to wait for that stuff to get hit very quickly. Okay, so we might experience maybe some retracement for me and the rest. But yeah, so mission accomplished, at least mission accomplished. So we have our first take profit hit on GBP. But by the way, GBP actually looks very good. It actually looks very good. So we're expecting this stuff to fly, right? We're expecting to fly. We're just not going in, we're just not remaining on this live forever, yeah, because it's already like 1 hour 30 minutes since this live trading session started. But I'll keep you updated as it keeps going. I'll keep you updated as it keeps going. Yeah, I'll keep you updated as it keeps going. So guys, remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe. I guess that's it for now, guys. That's it for now. It's a bye for me, guys. Oh, by the way, before we leave, let's crash our ACL. Let's crash our ACL on this stuff. Let's crash our ACL on this stuff. This actually looks better now. So let's crash our ACL to around that zone here. Crash your ACL to around the zone. To around the zone. Crash your ACL. Crash it to around the zone. It's actually a better region. Yeah, crash it now to around that zone. First take profit has been hit. Crash it to around that zone. Okay. So guys, basically that's it for now, guys. That's it for now. Yeah, USD card, we'll check it out next time. We check out USD card next time. Yeah, we'll check it out next time. Remember, guys, I forgot to mention, remember to use all the free resources on the website, right? On MrPFS.com. We have free indicators you can use, free robots you can use to trade, right? Free mentorship videos that you can use also, right? We have a lot of free resources, I forgot to mention that just now. Remember to utilize them. The robots have no expiry dates, that you can always use them. Use them to assist your trading, not just like 100%, of course. Okay, then also we have free indicators that you can also utilize nicely like that, right? And also the mentorship videos you can also utilize. So we have a lot of free materials on MrPFS.com. So make sure to utilize them very, very well. So guys, that's it for now. It's a bye from me, guys. I'm Mr. P. Peace.
Yeah. Lambo, faster, Nasdaq, making that money like Elon Musk. FX, Forex, big money, T-Rex, any which way we making the green. That's what they say, me and my G's, we work as a team. That's what they say, yeah. I got meta, trader, MP5. I got a chart at an all-time high. I got blue, green, yellow, black, yeah. Tell me which one you want, yeah. I got the Lambo, G-Wagon, Lambo. Off gold on you, ghost like Rambo, yeah. You niggas joking, you niggas pre. Keep pushing that beat. Yeah, just show me the way, no waste that beat. Just give me the light, give me the what? Give me the light, yeah. Just give me the light about that life. Yeah. You know how it is. Yeah. Chart looks green, my eyes turn red. Making lots of investments, we ain't wasting beat. I keep making that paper, I make it from my bed. Finger on the trigger, my back.